Now we are playing this game. It's Midnight Station horror game. So let's try. Loading game. Maybe I always get stuck with the night shift. There's something to keep everything. Maybe they have something on the radio that feels see the man around. Turn on the energy. I like the police do not want to annoy you outside tonight, but to ensure public safety. We thank you for understanding. Please lock your doors and windows if you see anything suspicious. Please report the local just now lock. Di pa naman siya lilid. Lilid na isa. Isa tayo. Wait guys. Wait for me. Ooh. Hey, it's your time to go out, man. Oh,
Saan niyo ba lagi nakita si ano?
Hi! I'm sure it will be fine. Just another night shift. Another day. I'm here. Please give me the keeps, dude. Also, just between us, dude. Also,
Ayan. Ayan
I
natin.
have ate food of the sleep. Anyway, see later. Well, maybe if you're still alive, dude.
Si Mami ba po?
We're going.
Hindi ako makaupo.
Bro. Go the back on the clock. Say clock. To the back.
It's doon. Ayun, hindi
That
doon.
guys. Okay. We are good.
Kaya natin upo.
Okay. I didn't know better. I would have thought. Asan sila? Ay! Ay. Box. Ito. susunod, guys.
May ano ka rin?
Mag-ano na agad kayo?
Ayan, Ate Daisy, mag-ano tayo? Mag-minimize tayo.
Ay! Dudulas naman ako.
Pinutin mo kayo ano, yung
Makikirinig lang tayo baka kami yung labas. O mapakita. Chill.
opo, tapos pinili
Ba't tayo mapindot? Saan naman naman lumabas? Scare ba? Okay. Very good pa. Ano naman mangyayari? We're done ba?
audio yun na
Uy, yung chia pala ko. So, madam. Bye-bye.
okay mo na. Okay mo na.
Baka naman pag-tayo dito sa rin natin. Ang puti yung mukha mo. Assist the customer. Finally. What took so long? You haven't even been waiting there so long. Whatever. Hindi mo naghintay. It's just ring me up alert. Hindi. How about to pay the ticket? I'll be calling the corporate about this experience.
Gumana ako ulit yung mic. Kasi nga po nag-vlog ko eh. Hindi na po
Jump scare everyone. Glad she finally left. Ang sungit nun.
So, exit muna kayo dito sa room natin. Balik po kayo.
Sabi ka, boss ko. Yan naman yung tunog.
Ano mo sinaktan?
Well, what are you doing? OMG!
Sana ko inulis sa
Bakit naman kasi ang mukha nila?
hanap ka ng
Tapos, creepy. Creepy.
sa bag mo.
Creepy. Ay! Ginagawa niya. Ay! Ay! Creepy.
Diba? Si Daisy, okay na ba?
Bawal! Mag-show.
Exit ka muna dito sa room. Labas ka dito sa room.
Hi!
Bumalik ka ulit. Kasi hindi pinagana.
Can you ring me up, please?
Kumusta ate? Pero sumabit ka ba sa
Check yung ulo niya. I mean, sure, I guess.
or nang
That will be 7.99. Here you go.
Ayan, Ate Daisy.
Siya yung cashier. Cashier in horror city.
Hindi na naririnig kami ng pinig, Ate Daisy.
Kasi naman, bakit may kuha ng bigla? Pag tumakbo, tatagilid. Para walang ano.
Ate Joy, na-check mo na ba sa iyong profile kung meron ka ng H-Verb? Yung microphone na maliit?
Ayun siya. Hindi naman, parang may mga puno.
Ulpin o.
Assist the customer. There's the guy in the red shirt creeping around out there. Work here? I'm not sure who you're talking about, ma'am.
Wala kang pag-interrupt sa standard.
I'm speaking the different language to guy in the red shirt that keep walking around you. Boy, just forget about it. Don't want you to think too hard. No need to be rude, man. Just know that it's supposed to be the only one worth right now. Okay, I need 20 worth of gas. Here, keep the change. Looks like you need it more than me. Ang rude mo, boy. Wala nga kami shop, oh. Ikaw lang shop. Ang kinakamot yung part niya. Uy, tumagos siya, oh. Ay, uwi natin, ha? Anong oras na ba? The customer to TV. What was? Yeah, I know.
Ano te?
Hello.
Hello ate.
Hello.
Sama-sama na kayo dito.
Naglalaro tayo. Well, hello. Ito mo yung mukha nila. Dead. Face.
Parang attorney. Parang attorney.
Hindi ako na-close. Baka kasi bibigyan may pumasok. Well, you know, there are maniac on the news, right? Yeah, I heard that news. Yeah. You been
Kailangan niya yan. Kasi
warned. We believe the maniac targeting gas station employees might be next. It's been reported wearing a red t-shirt and being terribly ugly. Call the police if you see anything. Okay. Just Myra. The maniac is a fresh targeting gas station employees. Tago!
na-join niya sa mga palaro ate.
Wala pa naman, di ba?
Bakit ayaw niya dito?
Hello, yun na.
Pamili natin?
Nagkatawag lahat. Bro. Ayoko nga.
Oo. Bakit ayaw
Tumas ang mga balibot ko. Katakot to. Guys. Kayo mag-confront dyan. Asan yung isa? Ano, mag-leave mo sila. Guys, ayoko yan.
Ay, parang ano te, ate Misty, si Jen parang nag-left na. Oo.
Pangit mo.
Parang nakita ko nag-left yun.
Ayoko na, guys. Ayoko kasama. Oh my God. Yung mga kasama ko, iniwan lang ako. Mga fake, ano yan. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko ito natapos, guys.
Hindi ko na rin nakikita si Jen. Hindi ko nakikita.
Hindi ko ito natapos. Ang creepy. Talagang creepy. So, yun na lang for today's video. Bye-bye.